Hey guys, have you ever had this problem? You go to open your side box on your topper and the handle just keeps spinning? On this one I've drilled out the rivets, holding the plate to the hatch, hoping for access, but no luck. I tried pulling pretty hard, which I don't recommend as you may break something. I went online, I couldn't find anything on this issue or how to fix it. So we'll get inside this thing, see how it works and doesn't, and how to fix it. Today on the internet's unsolved problems and how to fix them. For this project / fix, I used my Milwaukee Fuel combo drill and driver set with a 3/16 inch metal drill bit and a 1/4 inch hex head quick connect driver, along with my small pry bar, hammer, wire cutters, a chisel, and a rivet gun with 1/8 inch rivets. Make sure they're the medium length stem. We're going to drill out these rivets along here and take out these hex screws from there. Right, and then we're taking these ones out from behind the shelf because they continue down the side and I just rather leave them in place. Yeah, and then basically what we're going to do is we're going to fold this whole sheet down. This is the back of the compartment. So, yeah. All right. Okay, and the other side. So, this is the inside of the box from the back. So we have access to it now here. I don't know. I'm just gonna try and manually turn. You can see this is like, this part's like the stopping piece, so this thing has to turn up. So I'm gonna turn this one down and this one up. We're gonna see, yeah, see, look at that. So it still works, but come on, freedom, almost. Come on, girl. Come on. There we go. Open. All right, so I ended up just reefing on the handle, just pulling really hard, and it finally popped open. It didn't bend anything, but you can see here that this washer has popped out. Whatever, you have to put that back in. I'm assuming it goes in behind this. We're gonna use that, the little nut with a lock washer. The washer looks flat. I'm gonna bend the fins on it and see if I can get it to lock again. And then we got a washer. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do this off camera. So I used pliers first to like bend each little fin as I went around, and then I just took the little washer and just laid it on a metal file. This one, and I just rubbed it back and forth until it gave those little fins kind of a little bit of an edge again. Hopefully it bites in. Okay, so we figured out what went wrong. The cinch ring around that middle part there that's all rusty caused a buildup of rust behind the plastic washer and pushed it off and loosened the whole assembly and let the handle start to spin. So when I tried to gain access by drilling out the rivets, that caused it to be able to push out and kind of loosen, and then the part that turns was getting stuck on the sheet metal along the bottom edge. See how it's all bent out along the bottom there? Well, I gotta rivet that down so it stays nice and tight. For now, we're gonna clean everything off and we're gonna see if we can get this thing put back together properly and in a way that it won't happen again. So click on the link to the second part of the box topper handle fix and see how we put this thing back together and get her all fixed up.